Bitcoin is breaking out soon. This Bitcoin formation is about to break and I will tell you all about it in this video. I'm Crypto Yapper and welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about Bitcoin on several time frames and I also will discuss about some altcoins for you. If you like watching my videos, please leave a thumbs up and a comment under this video to support my YouTube channel. If you want to stay up to date on Bitcoin and crypto in general, follow me on X. You can also join my free Telegram group where I analyze Bitcoin more in depth and I will share all my trades. Don't forget to subscribe to never miss a video. Let's dive into the charts. Bitcoin is breaking out from this pattern soon. Bitcoin made several touch points on the upper side, as we can see here. We see a lot of touch points. Also on the downside of the formation, the apex is getting close, but Bitcoin always tends to break out before the apex is getting reached. Bitcoin came in from this pattern in an uptrend and then consolidated. The trend is your friend till it ends. So we are currently in an uptrend, which might indicate that we break out to the top side, then retest the formation to turn it into support, and then from there we will continue the bullish momentum. If you want to trade this breakout, you have to wait for a retest of the upper trend line. This trend line acted as resistance, but when we break the top side, I will wait for a retest of the previous resistance to turn it into support, and from there I will long Bitcoin. If you want to trade like me, I believe Bybit is a great place to trade. You can sign up via the link in the description under this video and get a bonus up to $30,000. You can just sign up, deposit any amount of money you want, and start trading. On 4-hour time frame, we can see Bitcoin form this inverse head and shoulders pattern. We can see a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. This is the neckline, which also acted as big resistance. This is a typical bullish bias pattern which tend to break out to the top side. First we make a low, then we make a lower low, and after that we make a higher low again. This indicates a trend reversal. If Bitcoin manages to break the resistance, which is the neckline, it will be considered extremely bullish as this resistance is also a very big resistance on the higher time frame. And the resistance is $43,500. The breakout of this formation is calculated as follows. We take the neckline and from there we go to the lowest point of the formation. Then we take that and we put it on the neckline where the breakout will be. Then we can see the target of the breakout will be around the $48,000. And that will also be like a 10% increase from the breakout point. If we don't manage to break the neckline, we will see a rejection from the point and we will visit lower levels again. Weekly chart for Bitcoin is looking very bullish in my opinion. We can see the support around $41,000 is holding strong. Now Bitcoin is separating itself from this support level and is looking for higher levels. The next big resistance will be around the $48,000, which is also confluent with the target of the breakout from the inverse head and shoulders. So overall, Bitcoin on the higher time frame, in this case the weekly chart, is looking very bullish in my opinion. As I said earlier, the $43,500 is a very big resistance level. We can see several touch points from this point and the price is interacting with this point as support and a resistance. Currently, we are seeing it being tested as resistance again, but I want to see a break from this point and getting tested as support again. If we do so, we can continue the bullish momentum and see higher levels again. If we break this area around the $43,500, I will wait for a retest of the level again, and from that point I will long the market. Let's then have a look at some altcoins. I will discuss Chainlink as first. Chainlink is currently trying to break the top side of this megaphone pattern. We can see Link came into this pattern in an uptrend and then is consolidating in this megaphone pattern. We can see several touch points on the top side of the formation, and we can also see touch points of the lower side of the formation, which indicate the trend. And Link is now trying to break out from this daily pattern, which is extremely bullish, as we can see. I'm also holding a large bag of Link because I think it will be one of the best performing altcoins in the next bull market, and I believe we will see $100 Chainlink in the next bull market. Let's then have a look at Rune. As we can see, Rune is in this big falling wedge on the daily chart. It had a beautiful run up. We had a beautiful run up of about 375% already. And we can now see we are down almost 41% again. But a falling wedge is also a typical bullish bias pattern as it tends to break to the top side. If we break to the top side from the formation, the breakout target will be the top side of the formation, which is confluent with $7, around the $7. And from this point, it will be a more than a 60% increase. So get ready for a next big move of Thorchain. So this was it for today. Please leave a like and a comment on this video if you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to follow me on X, and you can also join my free Telegram group where I share my trades and also other in-depth Bitcoin analysis. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.